This is the Reynolds Number Calculator, which determines whether fluid flow is laminar or turbulent. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have velocity v, where you enter the fluid velocity. Next is diameter d for the pipe or characteristic length. Then we need density r, represented by the Greek letter rho, for the fluid density. Finally, dynamic viscosity m, using the Greek letter mu for the fluid's resistance to flow. Now for our example, I'll enter 10 for velocity v, 10 for diameter d, 10 for density r, and 10 for dynamic viscosity m. When I click Calculate Reynolds Number, we get our results. The Reynolds number Re equals 100. This dimensionless value characterizes the flow behavior. Our flow regime shows laminar, which means the fluid moves in smooth, parallel layers without mixing. Reynolds numbers below 2000 indicate laminar flow, while values above 4000 indicate turbulent flow. Values between these create transitional flow. With our Reynolds number of 100, we're well within the laminar range, confirming smooth, predictable flow patterns. This calculator helps engineers quickly assess flow characteristics for pipe design and fluid system analysis. Find the link in the description below.